Hello everyone, welcome back to Take Aircraft Solution. Now let us see what are all the options available for us to do with transitions. Transitions means when you are just changing one PPT slide to another slide, in between that what effect takes place. For example, let me just present it to you and show. So if you want to present this whole PPT what you have created, you can go to this option over here and click on present. Now when I'm clicking anywhere on my laptop using this cursor, you will see transition is happening, but there is no transition effect over there. So this is my second page. If I'm clicking the cursor again on laptop, I will get this. And if I'm clicking on it again, you'll see the pages are just getting changed. But if I want to create any transition effect, I will go over here. For this page, the transition effect, I will choose this. For the second page, I will choose any other effect. Third page, let me use this. So like this, I have so many vast variety of transition effects which can be used. So like this, you see, curtains effect we have. So we have any, let me just choose anything else. We have this effect, origami, some effect we have. Let me choose glitter effect. So now I will go to my first PPT again. Let me present it to you. You will see the difference. What do I mean by presentation? Like transition. I will click on the button, any keyboard now. So you see the transition effect took place right now. Previously there was no effect. Now if I click on this, any other effect will be there. So this is another effect. So you see, this is another effect. One cool effect we got to see over there. If I'm clicking on it, another effect. This is another effect. So these are all the effects which you can make use of. So it's not working now because I did not apply effects for all the pages. So like this, you can make use of transitions. This is pretty much it about the transitions. Again, these options will also make your presentation look good. Let's come to the animation. This is very much similar to transition, but you are applying animation to contents of one PPT slide. So let me just go to a page where we have contents. I'll go over here. Let me add. Okay, we have enabled the draw button. So see, it's still drawing. Let me just turn it off by going over here and select this option. I'll go to animation. I'll go over here, double click. So I'll type something now. I'll show you why I'm doing this. This is the first line. This is the second line. This is the third line. Okay. For each element of this page, I can add that effect. So I will add this is the title over here. So I have the bullet point elements and I have the title element. For each element, I can choose any animation effect over here. So you see, we have entrance effect and we have exit effect. So whatever you want, you can just choose that as well. So entrance means whenever we are just turning on, opening that particular slide, at that time that animation effect will take place. And exit means when we are trying to close any slide, we are trying to move to any other slide, at that time that effect will take place. So for title, let me use this fade effect. For this text, let me use any other effect, split effect. For this text too, let me use blinds. Some random animations I am selecting just to show you. Okay, for this also, let me just select any animation. I'll do fly to this. Let me do box for this. And let me just do rise up for this. Now, when you are presenting, you will see what we have done. I will go over here. I think we had added that animation in the fourth slide. So let's go to the fourth slide. This curtain effect is good. So you see, I'm using that animation. When I'm clicking on my keyboard, you will see that animation will be applied to each element. So when I'm clicking again, the next element. When I'm clicking again, the next element with other animation. So like this, I got to the second page. So you see, we had used the fade effect. So when I'm clicking, I got the fade. This is the first point. This is the second point. This is the third point. Like this, I can apply any animation to any element in a particular slide. So these are the options which are available in my transitions and animations. Again, well, if you ask me why we have to use it, to make your presentation look good is the simple solution. You can just impress your audience by using all these options.